abofra no se sa na tie dia fine but se koba say obi ne leadi eye aposifo no di omo call the exact spotter you see akwada no a then it begs the question esi den na unhu ye say a hapote and a headmaster ni see akwada no so it begs the question so say esi den na unhu say a hapote and you see headmaster ni see akwada no ehon so nyama mienu ni ehwe
because
could be say headmaster no say ususo na ye ya okoye no na unim hu bia na because say wunnimu a wuntimi nkyere me busasa question we nyina because obian establish say headmaster na lead police for mom call
no after that time
no need when the lead police for say police for no ana e bia ye catch am so aha na headmaster ni free by nti aha na use say bibi sa akoso ene bi omo use intelligence ya ko hu bebi esi akura na say obi na lead omo straight to the exact spotter. Why na lead police for no straight to the exact spot? Ne si den na say nipa no hu say aha
enna
headmaster no see akoda no.
Watch this one.
Yes.
Omuni baby omoko.
Yes.
So
who led them? That is Hannah spot.
Yeah, to the
it one lead you omo. So that say police for no can lead you omo. Why na chile police for no say ahani. Omo na say ebia after being told about that area eno mu zone ye eno omo akohu ye a eno ye fine. I mean they are competent enough to gather their intelligence I know there. But so being a lead police for no eno ye subject of interest. Say your school ni be a lead almost say oh me baby a headmaster see akoda no a sport we that particular student will certainly be interrogated ombebusebusa nsem ebusa ne say eye dey na hu say aha na headmaster ni see akoda no e ho na dey no kure ne beba no.
That's the point.
Very simple.
Because watch this omu baby omu wura ni nyamu nim say ha ne ekọ eti e ho na dey yes and na bebo
eti e ho na dey no kure ne beba no. And already so enu aso ye kan say we ni ade a edin one forensics bebem and a DNA so edin e bebem forensics no ensa eso akoda anim e de ko share ho footprints ni nyina no eye there's a unit within the police service omo no ya kire omo mo sa nimde no e wo mfidie a ometimi dey establish saade no sort ya say eno ho and as secondly they will also want to do a DNA on the child ehu akora ne papa anempo ne maame eno so sa mfidie no ana say nimde no ebi ogana ha ometimi dey aye etiwe no it should not even take the police more than 1 month to establish the truth. So, and never be a Ghana could run the way we are could run. Sadly, we don't mean young found hundi, untimi nye we. Eti a yet denara, umbehuno crenach in Nipano.
Avance, and ra, I may come be semi din como a war. If I dare no said my ye, we din como a war or bossy. I mean, Busa said, Chanami Busaminu Henry say, a BSC pen. I'm so demonstration there, BSC near there. Kwadano Akoma FM 87.9 Obo sek taking kwadano dodo na ha dwen enyo mu nyina dodo na ha dwen na this headmaster me checks school awakomu nyina no me busai o ye dma otepa jobbing ena obesia kwa.
Okay.
Secretary.
The records were those places net say.
At the end of the discipline.
Oh, okay. And your mom pet
on trim
mount. And no much share Juma. Allegedly. Okay.
On trim mount because who say and no first. Say they are no fake can also maybe on your discipline. Or maybe I will be up a year open or mining cononym. A fact or my will be a do traffic light and with him. saw red was me trim. What the quack boni new assembaba. O maya obinim se majuma or semi yeni. Onye no bet your bribe. O maya ya show him. Yan share how competent you are. Ya show me oh I miss Wabeni and I said mam kakrana min fa wurahan. How man yen koyenim. And oh yeah one person na ninje koda bonisem nti pani ba kwa kache me say edube bo mo kache chale adwuma no say de ewusi no de o de wo no de ekoso no wonti say o da bia ne obi anya ne de o say headmasters bi o ha even though omo ye head teachers omo lead school ni de but ne ma ni bi obaka say teacher kwa akoye de okokoye de obetima ye but ono de oba ensure say the writing na de emrane kan yemfanya adwuma. He's that type.
Osha Henry nkomo twetwen ya one no ana nkomo die ya one ni die ya de menya free mu ne say oma ye preliminary investigation because kan sensem bi a say omunye investigation bi enu that level aka brofaka say free bi say or circumvent the actual investigation because otie ni communication ni mu a one or ya establish say headmaster ni nimade no hwe opati ni yipa o you demonstration say ne general demonstration say utie ni communication me say su bio inference a me free money say preliminary omo ya establish say headmaster no nimade no hwe sa komono ho no amuduru ho no ne maame madwin share that say madwin share say ebie was ade no ho say no then when a lead say approach for no when a lead yomo call there's a spot na say John ade we nye asem keto o wonim say koba say akora impo we ye court da ho abobo nti nyese bia ye kɔ ayinim se koba se akora no se no press headmaster ni nim hwe ena ye establish the origination of akora no anas be akora ni free a eno so ubisa ho questions bebree ansa na di akora no ba be hye ho no akora no free mu dada na se ekoba se akora no nye school enkora no mu bia ye frumu eba akora ni free he o free hospital ben e bai so mo kofa ni free outside kwa na beto ho hospital ben no free bai but you see awofo no a omo manual school no entie hapa se ekoba se no krepa se headmaster no enim ho hwe a womo ma no omkoye esa no omho betire omo pa se ekoba so se among enkura no a omkoye ye no efe bibi conspiracy se conspiracy bi na akoso just to indict the headmaster for a wrongdoing a onim ho hwe the fact say enipawuo nipakuma bemo no whether you like it or not first degree felony won dodge eno na ye kind of conspiracy to commit crime murder ne say okay can call first degree felony ho no ene say minim say Ghana o metwa ayim ana constitution
officially no there
omo death sentence
you know constitutional review committee
no mention
sir recommend they are accepting
men come say since 92
yes I mean
as I say obi enu ha ya so ho it is a John awofo no emfa show madwums omo moma enho akoka no ye besra awofo ye besra omo minim say awofo ni bi yo mafo die bia nenso so say John ye say wo akola na se na so tekasa eno nche so nimba tabi obi wo ha akora bi wo ha all for no play rubia just said naturally akwana na oyede akra na so omre so eti awofo yenye ya fam die bia na yen try say ye ma no ye ni bedi o machi ye especially mama no so say John e ha adwen pa but say John say na make no say headmaster no enim hu bi dia ene asem no e betwatia no say headmaster no nim hu bi dia ene say John asem ho
okay
asem ho
pa ma mene the MC we are menu aba Honorable Fostilav appear canin any komo ono na head of music enra no koka team omoko school hall at a point na me so aho ya enim say na chief mbajo so ho ya de
nyame hu mbajo na mo so
nyame adum enra wona na aho ya no ho me ti bibi sa nim say ya wo de a
mbajo na ya me
na ya wa ho
mbajo one
asem yi yebeka say si una so because una we head of security or Obuasi municipal so far enra mo call school ho ya hu videos awankasa wo mu bia mo call scene or crime scene sa na yebeka ba bia incident ni si ye ene ba bia allegedly nkra no kasa headmaster na akosi akwada wo ho mo call ho bacho eden na mo timi establish ya ubetimi ne ya che na no pay on radio me say bi wo ho bia be call no security meetings in here but they wait me near share and I'll call you na akoso school hono na enema chise
me da se na fa akonya o resurrect ya motive nyina enu ade me say de kosi ye mu nyina motive ya teacher headmaster ama ya de na koto hospital na kopo adom enede no hoye ma fe so ya tin scholastic second na ye kan no anopen afana me beji boost free district commander because ye ne sen fala no bia nkofie regional Asante regional minister to me so and then the regional educational director to me enemy akasa me to me so ye ma mo frani nyina kofie e omonko no monko di efutu e wo omawofo ho eni ntino so se anopa idi afana ya sori nyankopa adom yes, the district commander said no interrogation, normal investigation they could see saying a fame Polano which is so far there. Obuase is calm. Yanko pardon spoon to be a cook.
but now what a TBB from the school say bia headmaster kwada no problem be because the nya security assembly there na manya a hint of kwada no the near course na what TBB from them say kwada ni nje be a problem be or between headmaster and kwada no near there but na bibi sa course na there see e mo pa
Well, don't Roma. No one dear, you know, you be a bit me, but Nanka yen expect say Polani bit me that far, but a CFB and no a radiadum headmaster who yes na a investigation a cost on idea. Meaning said I will get to the bottom of this case. Na Yasaman Kolana Saba school ababa this
say kwada no say wo mu kofie one specific timeline be number of months or more kwana we indefinite closure of the school.
Oh, where you're indefinite suspension while investigating because from me says investigation in Nigeria, Santa Mountain, for Dr. Marfo, and Director of Education, Asante Region, and me, Obuase, Minister, Director of Education, and me, a police for them say, me, Ankasa, the investigation under you who have a near Mabitiapa. At that time, my father no one was Samba. Na a foot to be or a Sadia Mama or Monso.
Number two briefing Ben when about saying Ankasa from briefing when you're from the police. About saying they drew this.
So said make an dear Betty and Rabbi 12 a.m. Namina call say Palana Boma headmaster Chanama get a call. EG hospital ma ne kɔgye ayaresa nti ne hɔ na apɛ na me frɛ the district commander Nyankopɔn nkyɛ na ɔmo wɔ hɔ school hɔ mpo dada nti no ene ne didi nkɔmɔ ama ne bɔ bɛɛ 3 a.m. sɛ afei school hɔ ayɛ tin yaba sondwe aba nti ade kyeɛ no the organizer a mo meeting ɛna nyinaa bɔ ano the post school hɔ ɔkɔɔyɛ no ɛne nkɔla no kɔdidi nkɔmɔ na kyerɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛma wɔn nyinaa regional minister tumi so na regional director of education Ashanti region director of education Obuasi na yɛhwɛ na yɛma nkɔla no na investigation ɛkɔ so nti sɛnea ɛno a ɛkɔsi yɛ no
na asɛm a mokaa sɛ ɔmo allege sɛ headmaster akosi akwadaa bi wɔ hɔ no nso no
allege a ɔmo allege yɛ no nsɛ esi ndra ahomakyen ɛnansa ne na ahomakyen ade bɛkyɛn ndra nti police panyini a ɔda ekuria no ɛna ɛkɔɔ hɔ nti no saa briefing ne deɛ mɛsrɛ sɛ nka mo bɛfrɛ district commander because me kɔ team hɔ na ɛna me kɔ kɔhwɛ batma so ɔmo tu akwala no ana ɔmo yɛ ne den ne deɛ ɛmi sɛ district commander will be a better person to answer all these questions.
Na but ɛhɔ no the argument is that when they lead him to that area, when they lead him exactly to that, because I am confirmed once I did about yeah legend we bet me lead this exact because her video yeah na more direction no just a munim baby and I'm okay.
I said a police for no echo that and my journal assembly see
okay
almost the police may lead you to that and I make a district commander with my more breaking than me and make up for your team. So I can so more retrieve baby or my retrieve or no bit to me a moment. The more on that, and I also be a security personnel to not somehow back up a part.
Okay. Now, but your teacher for the Obia or yeah, I mean, the one can stay.
Teachers can be great fry or more almost a price or the bank are bringing. The 6 times it can almost that is a one of I just fully a baby 1 9 and your cat. It's about quite broad, then and cabbage and one up could and track. But a home different, then 90 it tries to crack.
Enti na me kan say omo maka no esi a school no matumu no nkwada no ekofie teacher for no de omo wo ho omo a omo ho anka no de omo wo school ho
yes actually
okay but you can nyina bomu e beka say asundwe aba so unreact the obia ho anka from the community apart from teacher for mu prepare from the community no obia unreact from the community there may issue between the school and the community.
So, as some a community bench school, maybe Obia Beba, because for the Brenaba school, a Baba share the case solidarity. And apart from that, and the honor chairman, the honor is calm, Ama, or woman in our baby, I calm, Ama, Sian. Did you say a mom could you know so boy? Because it's a young means now 24/7. At least your mom could you know Monkunyam from a fufu. I will phone to a muffle. Yes, no more so cut. It's a normal no. Yeah, not so much to crap with this, not just I will make them.
But I know what's your pay, maybe any actually about.
If I saw mention
Enti eno edie eno no MC ede ma obo ase na ene di kan ene di nkomo fasila ba pia kanim na hawiya ahoya nkwada no na gusuru ho no a wo mu asi o mu jama no Ibrahim
Sir John
na me ma wa che me nua boko de
me je usu Sir John
we ni free ho a bibia ye so
BBI fine, BBI fine.
So we know who they make.
Break kakra mehu Sir John. Sir John mehu.
Asemo.
Ebefa.
To the no ha Beluchi na ai nana yaw.
Sir John enura say no ye beba ho enura ye call location ye
Yeah.
call crash site no na. Ade ekoto mani but ni na ye edwuma no enne na o say sorry eba morning show no so ema etiefo yi na ehu de ekwanti anyensa na nka ideally na o say ye ji wa Sir John enye is going back at 5 and
Yes.
my yeah show
And then so bibia nso bibia mesankra wi mu anase bibia ma si kwan former national chairman for the NPP, former chairman Paul Afoko. And you say we are there. I do I be chairman. Na why you kakra. Why you kakra. O ba try na no na yen so. Ibrahim Maminti wa yeah.
John enura na no location na me share that but yeah colleague na kuchuku angel a obuase no wonti na me busabusa ne nsem kakra fa dis. You see, under no circumstance and Gina aka said in Kolani anyway. Sir John, oh yeah, student na ukona usuna. Fine. Teacher for headmaster. Umbet maya adia enye, but your proper channel. I will say ye di bibi. Granted, the omunkani na anu ye. Inti yentimi nya appropriate channel say ye di be father and say mmebunu no be lead na yakɔsɛe sɛ cars akɔsɛe sɛ ne office ne sɛ ne room ne bedroom ɛno koraa no you see some of these protests ɔmo na ɔmo lead no ɔmo different motive ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔno pɛpɛyɛ no na ɔpɛ sɛ ɛba obi kɔ ɔka mu kɔsɛe sɛ nɔɔma ne ɔkɔ dem ɔkɔfa biribi koraa de ɛde adwane na meti nsɛm no ba ne nyinaa yɛ allegations me therefore now menkɔ detail mepien sɛ police for bɛyɛ ɔmo investigation because allegation ne bi wɔ ha na wote a emu ɛden ɛna you can't gloss over it because Sir John sɛbi o yɛwɔ headmasters ɛne teacherfoɔ bi nso a ɔmo wɔ schools na ɔmo yɛ nneɛma bi a ɛnsɛm fa because sɛ there was this senior high school me mmɔ din for now yɛnya complain bebree ɛfa student mmaa no ho sɛ o headmaster no ɔtaataa ɔmo ne ɛyɛ ya na ɔkyerɛkyerɛ no wamma wone na na ɔkyerɛkyerɛ no wɔ ne ayi ɛma ɛkɔyɛ yɛ investigation Sir John ehu sɛ ɛyɛ nokorɛ ɛma yɛde evidence biara ɛde kɔmaa GES ɔmo ka kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ investigation yɛkyi ya ne sɛ yɛ transfer papa no de no kɔ another school Sir John transfer no ɛma ne nsesa ne suman mu yɛn na yɛ expect sɛ ɔmo nso yɛ ɔmo investigation na ɛyɛ true sɛ ɛyɛ a ɛwɔ sɛ ɛyɛ pamlo because anaa wobɛtumi de no akɔ GS wobɛtumi ayi no out of school and out of class because deɛ no ɔyɛ no na ɛnyɛ edu baabi koraa Sir John deɛ ɛyɛ no headmaster no ɛka sɛ teacherfoɔ no bi mmaa no na etu ku no because ɛyɛ ɔmo yɛ sɛ ɔne student ne da sɛ ɔno ni sɛ teacherfoɔ no mmaa no
na kama no yada no
ɛwɔ sɛ
ɔde kɔ hɔ mu no amfa nkɔ na
enti yɛwɔ mpanimfoɔ a yɛde ɔmo ato biribi so like ɔmo yɛ a ɔmo nyɛ nneɛma a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo yɛ sɛ yɛhu videos ne bi a headmaster ne school nkwalaa ɛda and we know very well sɛ GES is stated clearly in ɔmo code of conduct sɛ woyɛ teacher ni koraa woyɛ headmaster student wone ne ntumi ntwe mpena abere a wɔkɔ school wone ne ntumi ntwe mpena ma ne nyɛ yie ɛnna ɛtwɛn na owie school deɛ a ɛnna wobɛware na wone ne bɛtwe mpena ɛnna deɛ saa time owie school nti there are some teachers some headmasters a ɔmo go against it because deɛ na mete sɛ ɔne student ne bi ɛtwempena to the extent sɛ ɛno nyinaa allegation wɔ kɔnyem student baako na ɔwɔɔyɛ akwadaa no wuyɛ na ɛkɔsie no wɔ hɔ. These are some of the allegations a yɛhwɛ sɛ investigation no ɛba na ɛno nso yɛ true a ɛno deɛ megye di yie sɛ appropriate quarters na authorities no ɔmo wɔ baabi a ɔmo de bɛfa na mmom ɛno nso mma ho kwan sɛ who is suspicion a sɛ John wobɛkɔ akɔkye nipa no abo no na wasɛesɛ ne cars no wasɛesɛ na wakɔ because nneɛma no a wɔsɛesɛ no nyinaa no mind you ɛnyɛ ne personal property so maybe ne personal car na wɔsɛe a but wokɔ ne office wokɔ ne dan no ɛyɛ state property ɛna wokɔ sɛesɛ nneɛma ho nti ɛno deɛ ɛno a mehu video the regional education director Dr. Amankra ɔmo kɔ hɔ a ne bu afu a ɔkasa yɛbɛsɛ charge student na ama ɔmo atwa ɛno deɛ mene ne yɛ adwene because wontumi nsɛe aban agyapadeɛ na yɛnsa nkɔfa aban no sɛ ɔmo bɛbɔ ka wokɔka obi sɛ school a na ɛsɛesɛ ɔmo sɛesɛ aban ayi properties ɛwɔ parliament but ɛno sɛ mete sɛ ɛsɛ charge ɔmo ma ɔmo twa nti ɛne deɛ ba deɛ ɛyɛ ne sɛ John nipa baako mmienu bi ɛna bɛkɔ akɔfa abɛka mu nyinaa mo because student ni bi ɔkora wɔmpie onim sɛ biribi kɔ so na mmom yɛsɛ yɛsɛ kyade ama mu nyinaa motwa ɛne na ɛyɛ a ɛyɛ no but ɛm sɛ investigation no bɛtumi ama yɛ identify those who led the attack ɛna ɔmo no koraa na ɔmo buu no bi no ɛna meka no you can complain you have your channels wɔ wobɛtumi anya abotire akɔtwa video bi atete sɛ deɛ epie na ano a yɛhu video a ɛne deɛ student ni bi ankɔbu teacher ni ana headmaster o ɔsɛ John video baeɛ no that headmaster or that teacher yɛ punish no based on GES code of conduct ɛno bi na ɛwɔ sɛ but to the extent sɛ wopɛ sɛ wode mmara no ɛhwɛ wo nsa na wokɔyɛ wei ne deɛ sɛ John ɛm sɛ ne deɛ aboro so and the growing in discipline yɛaka wɔ ha efi ha yɛaka over and over and over and over and over again menim ɛkwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛma adeɛ wei aba down because sɛ John we been embolden nkwadaa no to the extent sɛ obi nsuro bia woyɛ teacher ni a onsuro wotumi wo student ne ne teacher ni ɛtu blow student ne headmaster ebi anso ɔmo bu no student any student even among them students na obi bu obi ɛburo a wahu ne sɛ yɛ injurious to ne junior ne health all because you see nkwadaa no yɛngya ɔmo na ɔmo nyɛ deɛ ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛ reintroduce corporal punishment anaa biribi a ɛbɛma ate ne nkwadaa no asɛ John it should be the best yɛnka sɛ yɛmfa adeɛ bi a ɛbɛba a adeɛ bi a yɛbɛyɛ activity anaa act bi a ɛde nsunsuansoɔ bɔne bɛba nkwadaa no so deɛ ɛne deɛ yɛbɛtumi ayi efu but kakra o ɛsɛ spare the rod and spoil the child
yeah that's
because woyɛ sɛ akwadaa no wɔyɛ biribiara ma yɛnka ma yɛmmo no ma yɛntia no ma yɛnyɛ no hwɛ ɛnna ma teachers no bi wɔ akwadaa no yɛ adeɛ a na ɔno nso ɔde ne nsa ahyɛ ne bɔtɔ mu a na wafold ne nsa na ɔhwɛ akwadaa no sɛ yɛ ne kɔ na ɔkyena asɛm no bɛyɛ critical a mpanimfoɔ abɛbɛ mu and saa nneɛma wei deɛ sɛ John ɛni kwan sɛ yɛtena ase soso so ɛyɛ two issues ma yɛnhu ne sɛ we shouldn't ignore the fact say maybe headmaster no nso anyɛ hwee ɛdeɛ a biribi na ɛde biribi ba ɛno nso nkyerɛ sɛ nkwadaa no nso na anamɔ no a wɔn tuiɛ no ɛyɛ appropriate nti yɛntwɛn na investigation no yɛnwie but even with that no the only di yɛ no deɛ sɛ punishment bi wɔ ha sɛ wuli bi akɔ atake abo obi bi ɛno na ɛde ɛnsɛ mfata.
I was there trauma so papa. Ibrahim, mami mfiananka. Memfa course kakra on this matter because if you can o for nyina mu nyina so mo hwe. If the can be allegation say the nkran can be ahwehwemu na de ba be dem. E ba be hwie. But the fact that ade e koso mempanefo hwehwe mu no doesn't mean say so entry hofo. I want see a tree hofo. Said ye tie bia no ade na ekọ so no. I was say condemn. I was say condemn the esi no. Share. Obi an kai baby is where. Na na akwachi kakra kai.
And I make a way
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
we say nipa no value what kind. Said you
You see,
and I make a
the police if one man can grant me to change out.
oh and there.
I'm telling you.
Wait. Bibi dem student ni ba ko mu pa ya no afa. No the ko.
My info course kakra be the next best 6-7 minutes. Your info course kakra ba no any team mama 03224 98035 02431144 97. Name mom no so mame. Se Angel Rock mission no so no. Ubenya bi na boa pa Angel Rock mission no wa usisi o ya trans che. Ye adwuma trasia adwuma ding uhia Angel Rock mission bi. Member na mo de ma tinka kofam no so mo hia bi. But ura pharmacy shop ne ba shop abenya bi. Open phone to me num de ma bofra no phone to me num. The number 0244 186612 0244 832286 na any penny for din come. Dr. Time that's all. You ma for back clinic. Dr. Dujemfi. But ko o see ade bia e kuntumre won ani so. Say stroke, diabetes, hypertension. Be ma on so about the bridge. Nemu enyarewa hodo. But also on offer no pe honam ye omre. Ni na for ni kire ho. Du akwa agogo ni aban school hwe animu. Kumasi for movement ni kire ho. Na onhwe mo kaman kran so no movement ni kire mo poku asema ira kwa no so. Na onhwe opema kama 0244 774 282 Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
When you other room maybe I can say free. Good morning.
John, me charge your open the person me police.
But what charge you wo ehim papen other room? Okay, yes, so you teacher ni, that's why you teacher ni.
Me pa chan bi bin ma me get transfer di free ho.
Hey.
Sir John, me catch the wa enkwara na ya wo mo na ba this time ya mo aba no se enkwara no. Na me charge your there was a dako na me ge ya me ba be wa no na me oba ho. Nti dako oba na school then back ba catch me say. See, me so na me no kwa ni free pa. And honestly, boy, if you be a god almost on make you get na born a gala.
Hey!
A man will get in my opium and ask your wife in my opium.
As an allegation, to me, Obana can Obana
Oh, they say, don't make come back.
Uh-huh.
And now Obana so make us one man, but me can't one candy. And the Dako Obano ye late. I saw by him. Oh, banana, oh, Grandpa, who trying to cram, you trying to ask who. You trying to ask who already no more kind, not a crab, I couldn't come at the track, no, not emonita. Then one cuckoo snap for ano, student, Jimmy come a catch there, says, your kind, I'm a man. And the enemy bow. Mamma, one comedian in free.
Wow. And I'm out there transfer.
A was school. Sir, we are working so big. I have one word set me pay. No, my Amagada, or more for some bowl. And you quite to me get and say flu. If we are working so bonk, I will check them. No, my migration per se, almost all at the walk. Them who say, Wami, or send me get and say flu.
Okay.
But
how many years?
Oh, me flew about 6 months.
Hey, that's a damn check.
I didn't make one of me track my president. Say, Abana, my Jeffy school, no, said John, no, the Bible, boy, yeah, no, yeah, Abana may is for teacher. No teacher, background was slow. Who check. No, be quiet. And then I chronic now, no, or figure out who school won't mean.
Yeah, to your here. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, okay. Good morning, Dakrope.
Morning, Yamisha.
Dakrope, Bibi Aboko, dear. Dakrope, meet you.
Hello, Monia Juma.
Ajuma, that's it.
Mamicha and Nakosi, Regina Chama, and on a board of Kuku. Munia, Bacham for Michian. They make can say, sorry, yeah, by Nam Tiro. Now you're free passing. Or can I say, Mafno, a shot, Yahimachi, don't go. And a monitor, Nami be someone who say, saa ahemachi doko na mo so ye de asa abre no na sika be na ekuro mo wo se om de sika bubu papa so e de bro no enti ehwehwe mu pa asejo mmofra no ese ye hwehwe mu yie pa because as of what is a tech as of my job here e sha sia na o ma ba fom kakai sa no bo ase fo no so tie enti ese mpia mu
Okay, that group me that's good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir, my brother.
I'm Pacho Jamal ni me do ma se.
Jamal yanko yani.
Onya bila de mamfa konya na mentia Professor Joshua Labe. Na mentia retumo no se oba tampa estan so ma mentia na kwesine ba jampo so ma mentia. Sir John. Na mi bisa me ya na atam na ba no na mi bisa. Ti sa time 1 am no. Ti na nkola na no mu wei. Ano mu hu so bi kwesi ade o. Either say no musika se master na street nti na wo mota na no mu yene ana obi ne pe master na di bia no wa se da bon kola na pa no mu kwesa na even ko se mu wo hotel na ma hu se master pia dia ne beba mu tintin bi pia free school mu ko da dia wa se di na tini tete no ne ko he ne wo ye and until master na ne fe nipa wa di kan ya wa free school mu ko be bi foforo nti kola ne de eyeyi ba de nim se aban we wo mu yi sa de na firo ma ya start ya tian kola nya sa ya kola ne de o ma jin se ma wie.
Let us say good morning.
Yes, I don't. Good morning.
Pacho, we didn't baby akase free.
Yeah, do kase free and carry Sejon.
Okay.
Sejon.
Akra.
Yeah, na omo say yembo akra yembo na say she me ya me bisa se bise. Sisi aso no ye bisa ye ho so say a teacher for ene nkora da wo school no omo se nkora penne ade no so no ate aka na ta ade no so e wo ho ana. It was a headmaster way. And when the colleague you or frame or papa no, the more from Panama Central for be a war, what a cata. It comes to a point say, or more the sexual allegations are Bob Pani Baby, a ban no dinner, a ban no dinner. Now it's a school for Obia making a school for now, school for or Mona. Go to all the various campus university, whatever, a school for the campus than or Mona, we know we not on the data.
Okay, Medasi. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John. Yeah, Captain Bergo, Kenya Sana and good. Yeah, I'm in kind of friend here. If I think, my brother was one of them. Say, only see where the people, I mean, some be okay now, I'm saying it, Dean Rahu. I don't. Say, after a crowd to follow. Papa, the one say, only say, after I know, honor. The police will follow up on investigation. The movie in Aquano, one check now for or follow a man. I didn't call him say, I had no Aquano.
Okay,
I'm going to send back. What for the police? That you are the police for the on time check them on who say, who say, Papa didn't see Aquano.
Okay, Medasi. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir.
Uni opinion must come in.
Emos Mamintio na yanko
Chief of Staff me, Kwabri East. Sir John, wouldn't say yen I tried the pay.
So we are retired, right?
They are retired.
What had ya until the experience?
14 years, 15 years. Sir John, and when we monitor my program here up to this morning, say, Akwala students, at me, I monitor. And we say, headmaster of an institution, a classic every room ever. At me, I could born in 4 and say, headmaster, I could see Aquala. Now, I'm not saying more correspondent to Baconoa, or the friend and a panoa. Was it school no ache, a teacher for no ache? A teacher for no ache. Mr. No message, say, teachers no. They were not involved in that attack, no. A police for no, and yet thorough investigation because they are also part of that incident. And we are aware they have influenced the students to act in that manner. God me when a teacher for about 50 or 100 school.
Okay.
Now a school for Timiko attacking only the headmaster in charge of domestic. Headmaster in charge of academic or something like that. No, Mama can no more from Wendy.
Yeah.
A police for no.
Thank you. Evans.
Yes.
Mami, you went from right?
You feel obra.
Nah, yeah, she am coming.
Nah, yeah, she
me buy it. For one time, why na? And I'm catching say, penny kesi ba ko ha o ba best try no pay. Wa ba bi dru. Na e ba bi din komo. Said you hear Evans. Obi say Evans na camera na nim no hen hamsa. Na ne ye machine no. E ba hen ham aka ne nsema no pay. Mba cho try me 2 minutes. Me ba sisi here.
Family, Genuine Dental Clinic. Obia Jina Tumano, Anetu Ngratui, Sebano, Esia Juma Hodia, Genuine Dental Clinic, and the Dimwa Kutne, Bra, Nanya Mao sing Nede, Antiapo, Nanya Fe, Abribia, Yadiabe from Fidi, Yadishasa was Sebatiapo, and Abeguya Sway, Sawubaya Swaya, Yan Fishimu, Ashadi Hawo, Nafe Yama Wakwanche, and Nasa Nui, Opeso Siwase, and Nasa, Opeso Tuse, Opeso Shaw Siko, and Nasa Sova, Bra, Nayam Fan Fidi, and who sing, and Yinkikawa Biawe. Mobia. Afe, wana bi binti emwa bi awo wonse. Ane why you lucky na so pesa wo sinye fita. Ane Genuine Dental Clinic. Ena make come for ma. Afe se kakaye na so wo sinye chia huna. Fabedaye Accra Nungwa ana afe Atomic Down. Aflawo ye wo Eco Bank abun sign mu. Ye ne Ghana Commercial Bank. Ene die enmhwe. Tamale Tishigu ye ben MTN office wo pe. Ye ne post office no ene die enmhwe. Techima Mazi ye wo Mazi kwan na wo de come market hona. Kumase wo be hu ye e wo Abepo Junction. Ye ben Total Filling Station. Ana afe Atonso High School Junction. Traffic Nasewa. Freyen. I was 0549 906588. Genuine Dental Clinic. Yebema was see dia dance.
Mami Ajua, besi yenko krum. E wasi ye kototo bibia wo de beko senior high school ansema so. Ma. Oh how be cranny. Let's ye be brain. Na masanso aso ani juju. Enough po be hu me I fefet me. Omo nyina di kan register edupack dada. Me bese metomo. Wo si o ma register eduden. Edupack. Na edi enso no.
Prospectus Ghana and edi inshishi aba and a Ghana Education Service ajiatum. Among kwade na eko SHS foforo. Na nsen die ehu hia se wo beku dwaso. Wo bedru school mo hono. O trunk, o mattress, o pillow, no chobox. E wo school mo dada e twen ho.
Sisi ya be ne say.
Ye hia na say you may dial star 713 star 821 hash. And now see a beco abe fontin time www.edupackgh.com. Me a true ding. What you mean so aqua kutia ewo ADB branch bia a bay a bonus so at the form. Our four who house in na echa Edupack abba ama SHS and wa I am ready.
Right, I'm for the Massima Makwaba, higher Akoma 87.9 Shosho Brenna news no Chaba Pound Sima Dubako, yes, Pepe Ofia. Evans,
Sir John,
very brief.
Yeah, very brief.
Yes,
now on Shem Komanasi. It's very historic.
Yeah.
The New Patriotic Party, having been formed in 1992. Of course, I mean the root of the NPP in him.
Yeah.
From UPR, Baya, Victor Wong, then after PNDC, the for multi-party democracy, Yenya MPP, Yenya NDC. But we are not talking solely just about the MPP as a political party, but leadership.
Yeah.
Sir John, no crepe woman say, you be MPP in some new year.
Later, yeah.
Yes, maybe next week in the lead up to a more win. But Oshe Yang part of the world now. Party be our strength, agent leadership.
That's true. No crepa.
Say leadership need weaker, regardless. It be affected the fortunes of the party. So you ask yourself, say, you bought MPP. Now you can't. Yes, MPP has had some fine leadership, whatever over the years. But why do we or do they make reference to Darocha? Most times.
Yeah. And then I know Dr. Nyahuta Makulu.
Absolutely.
Darocha.
And they they are making reference to Darocha, the days of Darocha, the days of Darocha. So it tells you something, or it should tell you something. Say they are missing something.
Yeah.
But Sir John, like I always say, Nkechi, they have the opportunity to make things right. And they know. And Rana Mene Penny Bakokasa, around 5 thereabouts from Accra. One more penny for Bako Paramaka, for NDC leadership, for to MPP leadership. judge for yourself.
Okay.
Pastor John, come over. Yeah, your question about community busa. My chairman Akwaba. Now you room.
My chairman Akwaba. Of course, chairman no dear. Because our friend chairman. Because I mean it was a party for that's our friend chairman. Chairman Afoko, Paul Afoko. Edimba kono ye. I went to me Paul Afoko. Chairman Akwaba. Pacho bibi aboko there.
Nyame adom na me chia woni mo tiefo nyina.
Yeah, that's it.
So me twi no nya papa o. Twi no nya papa enti mo fa chemi.
Enya hwe ye be kan nyina bom na ye de din komo no na party fon so ate onsem na se ye. Na pacho wo buy region mo campaign na niam ate sen. We started campaign so far Ashanti region wo buy niam ate sen.
Well, so far echo very positive because maybe I'm a kobia a party for that is executives no won't hear me and the response is also positive. Me buy with a simple message say in Kabum name say in Kabum so we can never see power without unity, no power. Into baby I'm a even the same the same thing, the same response. Initially, we say before 8 years, me my 8 years, woman, mommy, 8 years, we no the woman they didn't care about us. Now, after many woman kasa then you can see the hope. So they believe now that with Nkabom we can get power back. Said yes, John Kai, our tradition. It started from Nkabom. That time, no, was CPP, and CPP was dominant in Ghana. No, what do you mean, Taki? Nobody can challenge CPP. Now, yes, we were fragmented. Into Otunfo Netun Safre Yang from NPP, Northern People's Party, Ofreye, and Asantemai NLM. Ofe Asantemai. I before no more two parties. And Law Youth Movement from Qatar. In fact, one leader later on a year tradition UP, your first general secretary, Modesto Apalu, and Transvolta Togoland Movement, now one Congress, now one who Hohoi, one who buy two parties. Gashi from one party. Muslim Action Party, Muslims, Ahmad Babamu. No one do one party by all across Ghana, different parties, you bar together, to form our tradition, the UP tradition, a United Party tradition. Inti Ebanu Sena enne Yedinchemu a Guya party say we are now at 87 seats. From a high of 169, you have to do 87.
I mean, the party, no, from the party NPP, as also for UP, the UP, the new,
the breakaway party,
and also from the MPP.
It's from within the MPP. Into which we have to come back together to see power. Don't let us deceive ourselves. We uncle. We have to come back. Into some color and party in for that is the delegates, the executives, Yakasa. They understand what I'm saying to them. Now, the beauty of it all is that at the end of this process, we are coming back to our spiritual home. Sa Congress to elect national executives. It's happening here in Kumasi.
Yes.
Me call my country home now say it is not coming to elect national leaders. It is coming to reconnect spiritually with our roots in Kabum unity. This is an Nkabom conference. It's a unity conference.
Yami conference never in Kabumu conference.
Yes, we have to get together.
But I was a party, no, making the right decision.
Yes.
So the party man nama common.
Yes.
I see.
Now me I'm a party say I am ready to do this job again. Yes, said there's anything in it for me.
Yeah, Baba share party no ne how structure and city ne Serena Minu Evans Ekano. But for my tier 4 to understand and know you well, no. Omo Mate, I mean Paul Afoko, beyond politics. Within politics and beyond politics. Only one.
87.9 Kumasi.
Paul Afoko or no office Sandma. Sandma in fear. Me a bulsani.
Okay.
Na down south na mo free say Kanjaga. Yenya Kanjaga, ye bulsa. Kanjaga is just a town. It is say me who na me feel Bonyue. You are not Bonyue, we are Santini.
Yes. Yes, I see.
Until you were Kanjaga as a town. You were Sandemaso, the capital of Bulsa North. Now me fi Sandma if my family. Within the family, say we have different people with different political leanings. Now, originally, no, na MPP, Northern People's Party. Originally, now me, I'm married with children, and I'm children who are not biologically mine, but I've adopted all of them legally into women. I am a man. Me a businessman. Political activism and started from student days.
Akoma FM
Now,
87.9.
me family say you dig into the history, you see that time those slave raiders Bano, Babatu and Samori, womu ebe ready for slaves to go and sell no. Me family that led the fight against it. And we were warriors.
Okay.
And it's a years every year, December, your festival be a Fiok Festival, Sandema.
Okay.
You see the warriors coming out in those old traditional armor and bows and arrows, any womujuju, any we went and we fought and we defeated those people. We routed them. From that time, and so the North became calm.
Okay.
Slavery doesn't stop here. Into my family background, we have sacrificed to fight injustice.
I see.
Into
But Adeba time who announces about the national chairmanship. No, I want for you say when I focus politics, they will go through on one party NPP. Ya Tuaba party called Tuaba Mao 2014. Now, I mean, after about 1 year, now you say I suspend you. Call behind the scene. They now we my party. We'll talk about that.
Yeah.
But Okasa will say baby, you know. People fight so okay, bad be bad Benin party anymore because uni baby ako. But banwa sabe contested positioner one kasa officer watna hoping na suspension by okotina fee for years. Now we say baby again na and motivate you say no unye politics. And for that matter, crown MPP crown no munye. Now we'll say ba now bas contested that same position.
Say we are MPP ni na say we do party no. So we should be a party no war and nay. And you're there. You cannot be happy. Yes, no clear. We must suspend me. But before the suspension, na my age I knew we were going to win power.
No, I Jumana a day victory by 2016.
Yes, because me call around Ghana. Na me were strategy be, and I named the strategy NPP, New Plan for Power.
Okay.
Now say me de call round and I me de call tongma party delegates every constituency. And I me chair woman say yeah, and to me and we need that election now. NDC will be in power for 12 years. Because when himself at Tamir's by he did almost 4 years. So John Muhammad Baye, he just finished that term and yeah on the term.
Yeah.
And then he won another term. Into 8 years, no. And so we need the next one now. young MPP, but now opposition 12 years. Into me discipline on the call round. And party opinion for delegates, women tear me. And almost in there, they will test me.
Akoma FM
It's almost the economy. And I used it to implement the new plan for power. So we share all the primaries I did, parliamentary primaries, and which is the building block of success.
Exactly.
Because every constituency is a building block of our success. Me here primacy against the advice of so-called impenyinfo womichi me okutina demu wo nkrai SEO we there yempenasemo into disqualify him we on remove him we ye don't know into protect him against all those coming to contest. And I make me as chairman, I won't do that. I will do exactly what will give us power. If you use your emotion for power, would you Akoma? Yeah, you won't get power. Power there any emotion. Power is power. Power ensue. Power doesn't laugh. Power doesn't cry. Power doesn't get angry. Into say we their power pair. You get power. Into me some impne. Hey, I focus on board here on bunipa. Ye no kasa wontie. Yes, ye mpe we asem. Ye ntu no also one penny. And Mr. Naminim said, what I'm going to do will be painful, but it will be for the good of the party. Power. In the end, me year primaries we over 33 MPs lost their primaries. I have close friends, MPs from Asantuma, even from Kumasi. How women lose women seats were primaries. Western.
I think it was fair.
It was fair. And until women even though they lost, they came back and worked for the party. Party. Even presidential primaries, then the party, oh yeah, Allah nipa, oh yeah, Allah nipa. Me say media. Once I am the referee of the match, me MPP nipa, I'm for the party, not for any individual. Into your year and also Nana Akufo-Addo na winning clear cut winner. Yes, say Bibi Abemusa. And so everybody, say the thing was clear. It was. And the time I'm here, I knew when we say Minko suspension, I mean him. Say all the building blocks of success have been put there. And the only thing that I can say, yanko printing posters, na yenye t-shirt, na yanko round, and yeah, kukudu. That's all that was left. But the main work was done. Into me call you say you're winning. And true, we won 169 seats.
Yeah.
From losing over 30 MPs at primaries, from a position of 122 MPs at the time, we went up to 169. And even presidential candidate on your unprecedented 1 million majority. Into Nami meaning say we are winning. Because now here, then the next election, next one, now your power. We had everything, including Bank of Ghana is in our pocket. You will be here. National security, police, army, BBR. And what happens?
We started losing seats.
We lost one. We came down from 169 to 137.
Yeah.
And you see, when you use your emotions, you won't get power. Yeah, you use your emotions. Disqualified a lot of people in that election.
In that 2020
yes.
election,
You are political watchers and observers. You know, you saw what happened.
The idea now at the time Nanka will protect yourself more fine. Now
and yes, and you see from 169 to 137. In fact, Samukaya NDC also had 137. Now, for Mina MP Nigeria, for Mina, you feel inclined, you buy it, you call for Mina, you see your name papa no. He should go. You penance them on board here. You klulu na tunu. And we did it. We did it. We wrote a letter to the Speaker of Parliament to even deal with this MP just because you penance them. And then see here.
But the narrative that a bit more than Bane say only the presidential candidate then. Namuntemungo. which is Nana Danko Kufuor.
Yes.
Na issues ewo mumi no montem.
Media now we see issues na media me any issues. Me adia na me can say I want us to win power and I will do everything for us to win power. I'm not going to listen to Obi Abeka some in where some into Tunu. I won't do that. Maybe a pepe new. Say wouldn't pepe. Pepe. That's the meaning. Me yeah adia pepe. I won't deviate. Now I didn't listen to that. We got 169. Woman buy, and they were following
emotions.
Yen two way. We ended up with 137. Nipa yen feel inclined. We came to Formina and came and campaigned against that man and called him a stranger to the party. The party has his candidate who we like. Formina 4, I keep saying that the executives, woman party impending for, the people at the police station, woman party impending for, they turned around and told Incline, say, we will listen to you. You say you don't like this man. Now, Onona Yepe. And they voted for him. And he came in as independent. On also called parliament. Or say, media minim say, one more won't talk about mommy ever for me. No, woman now MPP for. So I am here as an MPP person. In the Memo just MPP.
Yeah.
And he helped us with that his one seat. 138. No.
I see.
So when you want to do something, sometimes there's a cost. A personal cost. My friends lost.
But because of the interest of the political party, or no, you're okay. But behind the scene, not throughout the period that now we're suspended, that's now the contribute to be the my party in terms of resources and now contribute to the my party.
Yes.
Now there was a pointer now penny for so consult who say this is when you perceive the my party no who saying. And
no dear, it
was free mukra.
Opinion for dear depends on who definition of opinion for. Me the opinion for one more polling station level no. In the constituency level. And it's him say, we need about 200 bicycles for the various villages. We need some bicycles for people who can go around and coordinate. Even pickups. I give pickups to people.
Even when party is here.
Yes, but I know a regime at that time say woman say me that's okay, but still me do party no. I can't they be me bisa nipa say wo osofo akofa wo yira into which I say when you Christo ni biom. No. It me MPP.
But they at the point how say we nipa BBC.
Oh yes,
you went off for a while. Now person better party na sem crab you na.
Eno dey no clear. Nyesa me person better party no asem. E binom wo ho ana wo mo kasa I didn't want to listen.
E binom ye hwan
so called national penny for into say me fear e was andma breakfast time now my so TV. Obi or Banos or Kasan, I changed the channel.
Including the president.
I changed the channel.
Not President Kahun.
I changed the channel.
Tinanando bet TV is no Kasan what change the channel.
I changed the channel because now it before wow. But after 1 year, now I call. But and stopping me say me local MPP for me within the region, me within the north, me even in the south, Kumasi ha, many MPP for we get together. But now when you say regimes come and go, situations come and change. Kufo baye oko, Buzia baye oko, inti Nana Kufuado so aba ono so oko. But party will always be there.
Based on this, Mami Musa said only the former president, Nana Danko Kufuor, relationship. I just say one in terms to say.
You see, right now, BBI okay. To me, because all the time, now okay. Now, So obviously on pewasema, that's a winning problem and in the park one, then you don't have a problem. It's the person who has a problem, not you. Into minino ashia, ya kasa. In fact, in terms of nkabomia mekano, I started with Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Excellency. And I want to come back because the party is in a bad shape. I want to come back and try and bring the party back together. After Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, we called President Akufo-Addo, and I told him the same thing. We said the party is in a bad shape. Now, Mikasa, Mr. Party no is in a bad shape. He wasn't happy.
Oh,
but it's true.
Why not you happy?
President Akufo-Addo.
Oh,
but it's true. But party, your party nipa bena. So what the party no? You'll be happy about.
So you feel say based on the facial expression, no?
Yes.
No admit said the old can no crana.
Well, of course, also because I no cry on one on himself. The party is not in a good shape. Be our other party when himself party is not in a good shape. It's not surprising. And I can't share no. I want to come back to be chairman and to fix the party. Now, do you have any advice for me? Maybe someone say, do you have any advice for me? Or say, now when him saying nipa, me say I mean him say about 5 of us are interested. And I say, so when him say 5, me say 5 plus me 6. Or say me say
so now open advice, any endorsement.
No.
But no open advice.
Advice.
And also nipa 5.
Or say nipa 5. And now we can't no. I repeated it. Me say, Mr. President, what advice do you have for me? And I can't me say, wait there. You go. If you win, I'll work with you. That was good for me.
When was this?
When I was going around to tell everybody that I want to contest.
So you want to know, say, before say
officially
existed power, and I say
after.
Yes.
Because I know they're after.
Yes, exactly. That's what it is.
But into what me get you closer to former president, after so or exited power.
I'm going after all exited power. We've met about.
Remember, say, or what power? And when now person will get you closer when your access and I want make any effort to be a.
Man, make effort. Okay.
After so yes, so be samba. And I will call her after say free power.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
By the time all war power, we meet in social settings.
Okay.
For example, you could share a President for birthday. Hey, Chaban, long time no see. And me can't say, Mr. President, me, I see you every time. You're on TV, you're on radio. And also,
let me tune you off, but they say they're Michelle.
Yes.
But Mampani Kufo, Mampani Dakufo, okay, the same approach, and now they call it the other
yes, the same approach.
No, so they to say.
Only they make us say, Mr. President, the party is in a bad shape, or say, Paul, na, work at you. I know the state of the party.
Oh.
Mr. Yes, I know you know. And
you are telling him something he's aware of.
Yes. And you know, and obviously I'm saying, Dientina walk away in HM. And I will say, I want to come back and be chairman of the party to fix the party. Or say, hey, Paul, over here, have you got the fire in you to do it?
Oh.
And I can't just say, yes, I have the fire because I have fear. Fear is fueling my fire. The fear that if you look at your party and you look at our political history and see that there was a party called CPP, which was dominant in this country. And Untina, to come and unite and form that our tradition. And next CPP, no, they don't even have one seat in parliament. Yeah, and so we have started going down. 169, 137, 88, 87. Yeah, go down. We are not coming up.
Akoma
is what makes me want to come and do it. And look, I understand you, and I know you can do it once you say you have the desire to do it. Into court, you have my blessing. Go and do it. From there, now me start to call around to try and unite this party. Me call Kennedy Japan or me call Brian Champon or I went around all of them. After that, I started going because national executive, chairman Bute, or no acting chairman, well, substantive chairman, because first chairman first vice takes over. Into onune fair, onune general secretary, woman the fair national executive mommy. And I went to them and I told them the same thing. I can't the other senior members no. I told them the same thing. Afterwards, there were no questions. We say, you are the managers of the party. When you open nominations, I will take the forms. After that, we call National Council of Elders. And then I started going around Ghana.
I see. And the Inche Evans, Enche baby and common na chairman. Nebrenisa and I will check a cradia my na but last question be I will be able to say.
Mr. Chairman said he's due for a conviction. 2015, unfortunately, there also be any term when you see it. Say any say MPP SRD to me national and say be one. The conviction no cra back then. Bibi asesa and one or the bem.
Chairman.
Yes, my two question no. And me and because a lot of time has passed, 11 years.
Yeah.
Into that conviction is there. Your principles are always abiding. Those principles will never change. Nkabom is something that is missing in our party. It's a building block, it's a principle that means me mamu two examples. We share a Bantama, yes, Bantama is our stronghold. Asante Mine, no matter what happens, we keep Bantama. Oba Dagbon. Yes, we are stronghold any Yendi. We've lost Yendi to the NDC. Why? Because two people contesting the seat, the primaries. In Chichamuaba, when ye nipa, way of Hinfa, or Yemubako. These things mean that Yenfa unity in Kabom Sambra. And that my original plan, new plan for power, no, the one we used in 2014 to block NDC, no, it has changed. It has come 3 hours. We have to reunite the party and re-strengthen the party and then to recapture power. Now, re-strengthening the party, no, is back down to Ajia Mimi, yeah. And that one too, it doesn't change. I made every party constituency go and open bank account. Now woman need fee, woman need bank account. And I made them open bank account. And I'm starting here. I'm putting 10,000 CDs into every constituency account because woman work constituency. No, that is where the power lies. Woman sorry they be a woman call a year, woman call bonsa. They do sooner, they do wedding, they do. Now, party doesn't give them money, it doesn't pay them. And a woman bottom sika and do all these things. And me see, we have to do this. Me be a bank account, so, and I put 10,000 CDs into every bank account.
Wow.
Now, you see, those who try to stop me at my vetting. I want to see me a cocaine dealer. I will brochure, make the jail for a long time until I should stop. Woman passing me, I should go. And I had to go and sit at home for 6 weeks. Woman the meeting and my details, Akoma, Interpol, International Police. Woman headquarters were Manchester, and they took it there for 6 weeks. Now me tifie. Finally, after 6 weeks, woman friend me say, "Oh, Mr. Foucault, would you call your campaign now?" Me say, "Na Interpol, woman they are sababa na." No. Would you call your campaign? Say report no ba. You better from no whatsoever. Me so I thought this thing is weird because it is a woman pamata there and fatami woman show. I said I will have to go and dig into this matter. That time, me can't voting committee. Me see, I've never been to prison in my life. I've never dealt in drugs in my life. You have to prove it. You see, but I should be innocent until proven guilty.
Also
prove
make
my
clear,
innocence.
I mean,
That Debbie Omuntie. And we can't share one. Me see me dear, the only prison I've been in my life.
Akoma
Any
FM,
role is cheap, I go to
87.9
prison.
that, yes.
Apart from that, I haven't been to prison.
Yes.
Into Interpol, Mifi party headquarters. I went straight to police headquarters, CID headquarters, 4th floor. That's where the Interpol office is. We call desk officer no home. Me say, now officer, someone to be from Interpol headquarters or Manchester. And I say, oh, you're my party. Me say, are you sure? I say, here, this is the file. Read it. Me sure mo. Interpol came back to say that Paul Afoko is clean. They've checked all police agencies, institutions all across the world. I have no conviction. They don't. They say he's unknown. Those were the words. Unknown to any police institution in the world. Until I went on to campaign, Sanipano, they started calling people and telling that Odadamo, don't open the bank accounts, Odadamo. And when finally those who believed me, it could be a bank account, I gave them the 10,000. And later on, they heard that, 10,000, they also went and opened. I gave them their 10,000. And then what happens? One of our own national executive members, Kotuna TV, and you people, you know, I won't mention his name because I know your past. I don't want to dig up old wounds and echo. He sat on TV and said, Paul Afoko is squandering the party's money. Some is say party sika. And me so who pay power and we need it publicly. You don't go to TV and challenge your officer. Into my friend meeting, steering committee meeting, and I'm a bisano. We say, I'm squandering the party's money. I said, but party money, I've squandered it. Media show me bottom na. Now who wouldn't be a scanofi?
Akoma FM 87.9
Media party. I've given it to where we have to win the power. We say, Marseille party sika. Please, next time, I'll go out and disgrace you into Jai.
That's leadership.
So
that's
those
leadership.
principles,
That's leadership.
Those principles, it hasn't changed. It has to work again.
All right, Chairman, my final question, because I said we're limited time. A bit more kase, and especially I've spoken with a good number of your party people. Omo pewasem, but omo concern has to do with the fact that flag bearer of northern descent, and now also so we free northern region eba maybe, and only idea I say a play or imagine say ni ne could be baby fako. How are you working to break that notion? Say yes, your flag bearer if in northern region. Also so be chairman. We are one of the leading members of it easily. Also so free northern region. A play How are you working to break that particular notion?
Well, with Jimmy Darcy, this is a very pertinent question. Your party, the party never looks at Wufi Hinfa and some Obama opposition. Party no, I should say, you want Ben a day in and one a bit me a yejumano, and then they give it to you. Now, the flag bearer of North East, Mimi Fiapa East, or your Mampusini, Mimi Bulsani. And see, we are not actually one. Said the Ebin Mukano. Now, so we share party Abakosema starting from 92. Your flag bearer, Dubois. Your chairman, BJ Darocha. So we born it in. BJ Darocha. Your general secretary, I can name what
87.9 Kumasi.
Party no, Echusu Womu say, you were Jumaye. We want to win an election into one bet me a year. Womu call ye, they couldn't win. And the party turned around and said, any year, Eduboy got no fear why ye dima President Kufo, that time Mr. Kufo. Womu see, BJ the Rocha also got no fear why ye dima Peter Lajete. And I didn't watching why ye Juma, and we repeat you. Sanko. Nti ekire sɛ party no woman hwɛ sɛ wofi hefa ne bae woman hwɛ sɛ ejuma no betumi aya and agye boating wa kyerɛ sɛ wotumi yɛ ejuma no nti ye di ye ma no a second chance and the other two, Womukoye. And from that point on, every time, we share President Kufuor, Odoye Sykes, Dambochwe, woman in our soundness. It kept on soundness until 2014. Mr. Time me call around. My uncle can't obi said me, Muntu mame me esremni. No. Me say new plan for power MPP in here. The problem I ebano say we can sit at home for 12 years. Inti munsha me plan no. Ebe ye juma. Na muntu mame ya me debe ye juma. And they voted for me to become chairman on the plan. Say my chair say met me aye juma. They say because almost say me yes me muntu abamame. In the circumstances no eba say right now you choose a flag bearer dada. Oh yes me, but he's from northeast.
Akoma FM.
I be do yes so.
7.9 Kumasi.
Me dear, I have a plan. The same thing I'm here 2014. The same thing I'm coming back with my 3 hours. Say, this is the program to win power. Yes, no. And the party for we don't think about Esremni and I say Asantini because at one point, when him say, Makmenu oye Asantini, Kufuor oye Asantini, but they were at the top. President, flag bearer Kufuor, who became president, Makmenu also became chairman. No, oye chairman.
Akoma FM.
Ebinu P, one would say Makmenu oye from Western region. No, Okotuna Western region. And I would D regional chairman wo. But he's from Ejeso. Into party and sure say we him from the buyer.
I see.
And especially more Asante, you people receive everybody, the whole of Ghana, even West Africa is here. Yeah. West Africa, it was Asante. You don't discriminate. And see, me call around what I told them. And in answer to that question, Glad said, what besides that question? No. In answer to that question, everywhere I tell them, listen, whether I can do the work. Said mu it was Asante. Mu Atinga Junction. I think I have Fafadi. No, I think I have Fafadi.
Yes, that's true.
More the Gomba line.
Yes.
More Moshizongo.
Yes.
More Fanti Newtown.
Yes.
More stadium, your friend is saying. Baba Yara or Yasatini. But time I go to a class 4 stadium, Dean Yetsi or Hinijai. Genesee. Or Hinijai, what happened? In Confusion Omumpany. Unfa or Hinibea and 2 years stadium so and they changed to a class 4 stadium. Muje yina Bantama. Say SMD. Mbantama. Mba, me papa, Mbantama. Yes. It's sorry, Bantama.
I see. And German, you're very now. 2 critical questions are yet me dealing with. Or relationship with Mami Musa said, how is your relationship with Alan out of the party? Ebinimu Philise Kennedy Ohene Japan at a point, Omo no can say that amnesty now party officially. Omo agree some the bemano. On an a pushy at some point or mention within class one others or say mom amnesty so that party bit ma konenim. You are here today. Among Philise Kennedy Ohene Japan, baby and any no he's minim unkoma woni na didie maka Alan Kojo Chiremati ansem any other people are is here cause omo party no major party na ma say obi anye de ope your relationship with them and you that should be obey chairman. What is the assurance that you'll be able to bring them back actively, not just odomo but actively in the party?
Akoma FM.
Assurance. It all depends on the condition and atmosphere of the party. Yes, can the Ohina Japan. I don't know how me call because recently they are now one plans on the Bayemi send me a cocaine dealer. No, it happened again. Woman called National Council, and there was a petition against me. Now, At that same day, now one with the placards, echo the same National Council meeting say, "Yem Pam Kennedy at Japan." It's wrong. Party just say, "Who to man? That's open from that hole." You stop digging first. Into media, people like that, Kennedy at Japan. Me call him, he didn't close the door on me. Or cry, or say, or no, dear, me bisa no, me say, it's something going on your friend base.
Yeah,
you are
the
part
base,
of
yes.
it.
Mm-hmm.
Also, on him,
Okay.
and me can't say, so, okay, now, what you are no longer active.
Mm-hmm.
Now, say, Mimi, we need chairman. Now, I'm coming back to ask you to be active again. Also, hey, senior, who do you call? Who we near Blami and Kasa? He didn't shut the door.
Okay.
And there's a hope. Alan, outside of politics, we are in good shape. And even within politics, we are all. Samukai, the party chairman, Boniface Abubakar Sadiq, honorable. Say, no, he went around the country with me.
Yeah.
For me to win 2014.
Yeah.
And that relationship is still solid. Mukai Swa, UNCPFP, your party, apakosem no. Certain PFP, na Victor Wusu, and a UNC, Pauli, Oforiata from Chebi. Womuti womu fi your party no more. But in the end, in Kabum, for the sake of power,
yes,
and a former and MPP no, and then Kufuor came and won the power for us. Into media, it is history going to work again. Now, this is a party in Penyufo. That is the delegates. So, I believe strongly that I can bring everybody back.
I see.
I believe it.
Supreme Court to say the no delegate system or no. And party no say party be a political party be a so then obey amending the constitution no now they are year juma.
Yes.
And it will happen within time so be chairman within time mobile implement this way.
Yes.
Opposition were the no delegate system na Supreme Court ruling about no where you free horse obi oye card bearing member in good standing.
Yes.
Also no sutimi tuaba for the presidential primaries and then the parliamentary primaries. Opposition the same and how do you look at it in future? Say ebeboa party no system on
Media Misha is just like a continuation of democracy, a deepening and widening of democracy. So we share Parliament 276 seats. Parliament, but we all vote. Who the electoral commission card, and you are a Ghanaian, you have the chance to go and vote and pick somebody to go and represent you. It's how even within political party. It is a woman say every party member who are here with Jews, we hear you mama party. You should take part in choosing who is your representative. It's good. Now going forward, there will be mistakes, and we need to correct those mistakes. And not that you amendment. Even constitutions get amended. Oko America, the 5th Amendment. As we go on to implement, say party impenium for delegates. That 1 year given by the Supreme Court, we'll see how to implement. Now say a difficult. We will have to go back for amendments. That is review. Because Supreme Court, it's not the end. You will go back for a review, and this time, not say 5 Supreme Court justices the Casa. When you ask for review, they expand it to 7 or 9, so that they'll hear it again. And the media, left to me alone, is deepening democracy.
I see. Chama, want to me ask them.
Yes.
Judgment in the buy. Okay,
Yes.
so when the issue started here from last year, now who follow?
Yes.
Who pay attention to the Nekoswo court?
Yes.
Judgment aba a sentencing to 20 years.
Yes.
Now send who this whole thing.
And no dear,
Akoma
the
FM
class
87.9 Kumasi.
now mini won to me, Yentemu was very good. We, even though there were problems politically,
Okay.
but yes, yeah, we are always good to each other, very respectful. Until now, if you come say I make on crime when the judgment was the sentencing, I was worried because my co-president,
Yes.
rolling
81, I think 81.
I know the man court from my bed a few times straight to prison. Into me said the present here. It's not a nice place. Into now, me see, oh, into anyway, is this what is going to endure? And I could do and cry. And then I started asking questions. And a woman can say, your government, MPP government, na your best law no. Because anka a year before MPP government, SSR law no. So back them 3 years or 5 years maximum.
Yes.
Now we came and changed the thing to 15 years or 25 years. And with this matter, me, I believe very strongly say, appeal no or filing no, we should all support it to go in and see how we can mitigate this situation.
Okay.
Because some people win appeals and are set free. And you have your sentence reduced. But sad time, some old plan MPP no. I said every region must have a team of rapid reaction lawyers. And those lawyers will have constituencies assigned to them. Konongo. We were told about one party member, or your communication ban, that they've taken him away. Nobody knows where he is.
Yes.
Our rapid reaction team should have been in place. But
I see.
To me, they left that, they took it out.
Intermediate
back to one to me.
Okay. And it's not about say Nanka, I mean, no one Nankana the chairmanship here, no the same contest.
Oh yes.
But then people feel say Mumubu Hoa within.
Oh,
some because obviously Obabe contested it was a threat to
87.9 Kumasi.
What threat?
We probably
what threat? Akonyanunti. What threat? The main thing is unity to get power. Oh, say party opinion for that is the constituency executives. So when we see onuna woman pair, that's when we see me time I come in. What threat? I accept it. When you go into a contest, you win or you lose. Into going to me, say Onihobium doesn't please my heart.
I see.
And you're me there.
I see.
And you're me there. They be a mimika. So obese or time ya. That's or hamia. Me kashi. Me senya say. Yeah, we have good health, long life, and we go forward in the end. Ebeye.
That's true.
God has never made a mistake.
That's true.
God has never made a mistake.
Chairman, finally, you're coming in we are. Maybe we say a dear na delegate to Tuabano.
87.9 Kumasi.
Omun Sheso, Omun Kai, Omuninaso, and from Tuabam Fama.
Omuninaso, that is. What is the reason? Yes, sir.
Yes.
The reason is the 3 hours. The reason is that me 2014, you were opposition. And I'm say NPP, New Plan for Power. And we won. And so we are now at a crisis point because crisis, it's even deeper than 2014. Now 2014 seats. Now this time, 87 seats. Into the crisis. Into seriously. Abba, it us out of this critical point and bring us back up. Now, my plan no is a 3 hours replacing the MPP, the new plan for power. Woman share understand that party you were juma ye. The side juma no. Me na minim say because a bit me kwa time a woman more power me manya tree and I be so almost said na me so Gota mama gota manya toilet impo say me go clean. I got nothing.
You to abonte grandson power neighbor.
Yes. And the power no so buy yeah.
Yes.
As chairman who invested in the party, invested my money, my energy, my emotions, my thoughts, baby One mama toilet say me go clean. No, so that Mr. Menya simple could be akudidi. No, but it doesn't bother me. Into woman share me. Woman share say, me to be jumano. That is what is main thing for the party. And this time we see Sa conference here back no. It's a spiritual journey. We are soon no a push party no back to where it was formed. And it was formed on the basis of Nkabom unity. And this time we say that conference in Kumasi is a unity conference, in Nkabom conference. And me 3 hours from the first thing is reunite. In Nkabom, without it, we have no power, we have no party. So he said, oh, we will win. You need to use your head to strategize. And from your strategy, you draw out your tactics. Every region will draw out its tactics because no region is the same. And even when the region draws its tactics, no constituency is the same. They also draw out their tactical moves from that. And nona bemaye power. That is the reason why they should vote for me.
But you'll be questioned there about say, would you say party in discipline to take over the party? A question can be and a question yaba in discipline.
In discipline.
Yes.
And no dear. It is just discipline that must be reintroduced.
Okay.
And me so say me kaya me pepe ni pepe.
Yes.
Who for me pepe and yeah atemdio.
Yes.
Yes, you are describing say me pepe.
And on anama me sure say mampani that I could focus say, hey, we are sure say ubetimi.
Say more
because the way a party no, well at some point you invited Marfo disciplinary committee grana.
Also
I mean,
and then we have processes. You have procedures. It is described in the party constitution.
Yes.
You follow it.
Yes.
Nobody is bigger than the party.
Exactly.
Nobody. If the chairman put it to me, it means I'm not bigger than the party. And who can defy the party? You discipline the person. You don't sack them. Because you're paying kabom, you won't sack them, but you discipline them. That's why we have discipline committee everywhere, from constituency to region to national.
Okay. Chairman, that's it.
Miss Midamasi.
Yeah, we show. Downtown laundry. So, but you downtown laundry. PV Janto.
Yes.
He's listening.
Anytime in Bakumasia, I use his laundry. It's very good. It's very good.
Yes. Or pay.
Wonderful. No, there is. You see, your party, a political party. We are all working for Ghana. Ultimately, a Ghana. Into me, so can say. Where your NDC no, it's a jousting of ideas. Matieno on air. And there are some of the things he says, I agree with him 100%. Is this a studio?
Yes.
Okay. Akoma, yes. Now, these are the things. Say, we bring our heads together to distill ideas to help our country. It's not me. So we are the mature people in this country. Your former chairman, Alajete, Peter Alajete, your former chairman, Neba Larry Ajete. is a leading member of NDC on their legal team. Top one. Which are your party? Your immediate past, your friend is saying, our immediate past minister for Abu Jinapo. Sending you John Jinapo.
Yeah.
Abu Jinapo is a leading member of MPP. Ninia, the same father, Ninia, only energy ministers say within NDC. Into a say we should come together first in Kabom within MPP, and then in Kabom as a country. Who fit Ghana, who could do a bullshit. Woman who say, oh, we are MPP near, that's we are NDC. No, woman who we are Ghanaian. That's all. Into PV Obing there, Mechiano, Mechiano.
Yes.
Yeah, PV Jantua, PV Jantua. Mechiano.
Yeah.
Nah.
Also wish you well.
Thank you.
Also by campaign amount.
Oh, sir. Hey, over to be a casana. Woman.
What obey
Hey, MPP for
our youth in Libya also almost 18 or 16 on there. There are some in the MPP. When you follow 19.
Last time, me ba akwaside me share my regional minister any KMA
yes
and I me can't share woman TV cameras woman who here but woman charge me can't share me say youth any your future now more you are trying to take our youth away from us so me ba as chairman na me mpini and regional minister say, oh, we dear say, we are senior, you say, we penny. And yeah, imagine this, me see, let the party vote for me. I'll come and base in Asantuma. Yeah, but youth, they will come back to us.
So you've seen or a threat the man MPP in the region. But people are refusing to, even within the party, a bit more admit.
I say, don't get your buy or say, yeah, he's going to take 50% of Asantuma. One guy. Didn't you hear him? Before NDC is a woman get 3 seats, they are lucky.
Yeah,
they get 4 seats, they are lucky. And then they've doubled. One more 7 seats.
Yeah.
Not before. One more kasa, one more say, oh, it means 28% of Ashanti. We won the election. Look at where they are today. It is a threat. Don't let us sit at home.
Regional Minister Dr.
Frank. Mini woman ye ni ntakwabia politics.
Yes.
Kabina min kabi. Inti me ba say MPP for mami chairman na me ba Asantuma our spiritual home. Ye beji we'll send them back to 3 seats. Inti PV Jan to me so ye campaign mami why. Me so.
Jama yeah that's it. Yeah that's it. Thank you very much. Therefore any chairman we na Evans any chairman we me try home rana yɛnto adwumadie no so mo message sɛ ba nyinaa no am sɛ ne nyinaa yɛabɔ no tɔfa questions bebree na ne yɛabɔ no tɔfa de ama mo mpakyɛ yɛba sisi
fufu asantuo Akoma FM fufu party kayo yoya no ayo a free emfienum nie ana Akoma FM ama Akoma sema asantemai ane kanamai adi fufu free the biggest fufu party our Ghana afidie apostle Saturday 22nd August 2026 and a bedroom park shop. Edwardina Sassi. Jumadiana Bosso, our Asokwa Municipal Assembly. I am opposite Makion Pentecost. New Asafu
Akoma FM 87.9.
Boy, another punch. Portia, up to Sotia, a number and episode of bois. Frey, our 0246 766060. The 5th edition of Akoma Fufu Party. Kaiser date, a Saturday, 22nd August 2026. Akoma Fufu Party, a proudly sponsored by Promo Tomato Mix. So your local food, so your continental food, a stew, a soup, your piano, we are Pomo Tomato Mix, a Buafua Caribbean AFR deodorant roller for fresh and comfortable long-lasting dryness. Oh, Padua Tour, 0544-726882. Or here seasoning powder, your flavor.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Spaghetti and a shrimp. 0244-525908. Last show insecticide powder. Ekumu Yomutu, Yominamfo, 0246 519012. The Dimafaba Clinic, Dr. Time Jaso, a Brokogo, up to the government hospital, 0244 774 282. Body crown, fresh and frozen foods. Yawayetiase, Opsit Ayetiase Market, or chicken, fish, sausage, gizzard, and car. Freying, I was 0542 769 251. Gentleman Dental Clinic or at Tonsu High School Junction. The Pacha Bus Same Sama, Akodai Gentleman Dental Clinic 05.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Fireable Tonic makes you grow fine. That the Ghana, yeah, Coco, and I 0244 596532. And Akoma Peters, no, that your natural helps here, and a dia 0245 105476. Akoma FM for party, Opa, over two and quite different. Paya at Piasa, Kumasia baby or two fufu, and Napa, no abay funo, Nemomakai, Sakuma for party, yo, you know where you are, a free.
Akoma FM 87.9. Akoma FM
Center for
87.9
National
Kumasi.
Culture, Ashanti Region, Anyamfinchia Diosunum, 75 years, a Diamond Jubilee.
Hooray! Yade nyanko pasi. Na yade ada amamre ni amanie eso edi.
Enti atifensem, Yadinfinchia Diosunum, Ada Mamre Pedi, Ye Krad Yachamono, Naya Madati no so 75 years of culture excellence, preserving the past, empowering the future.
Enti bekaye ho na ye nimom.
Yemfinchia Diosunum afigida yemu. Ana ye wotumfo say to the second Arts and Craft Exhibition 2026. Yebasha se every June. Aya homo bostu me da.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Da. Etoso aduonu woche.
Debia ye sha se every anopa no nsia kopem anwumre no nsia.
Enti for get on debia eye Ghana fade bra. Na bede na di. Say ye kente batakari fugu akuyaba adwene ahene duku NP bibia bekoso e wo Kumasi Center for National Culture. Wo hia nkyerɛkyerɛmu bia frɛ 0247 44 1122 and 0242 14 0653. Media partners Pent TV and Radio, Mikaf TV, GCR, Akoma FM and a Royal TV, CNC at 75,
Amamre Fie at 75.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yimfukanya wambuatse de oya futu nsachiri nyipa gidan sohwe na marama pone dwuma befie mabra na maboto ho na madahatse wonde ma na nambi poso baby na matsema na ho dwi ntuntun yekum ebufu shu na mazukura atama me ne shop ho atama me be pentuntun edru osekrotsi na obejo wo friend fatala sa isokura osibi chara papa tana wosipo nyubutwa onhe onyipaduan oye nhom so de na ntuntun na wosuro nama osanu ku inseta otu na zawowie ni nginara oye quick action issue fatala ye wono coin spray ni nyina bi epiandodo wa frey 0599 315 600. Senya spray wo dem ho a fi wo beye semade no man from amfa wansana akehim otode bien monso coil insedo nandem fatala in set out krati FDA apenedo
Midofo a minnu ho agro. Na say die waduane ne gya no aye sronko.
Anyo mura. Ohinere spices abefi. Aduane de aye sronko. Ohinere chicken seasoning. Se wo toto, wo chi, ana wo ye
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Froye no.
Ohinere stew seasoning no be manageta.
Jollof no.
Ohinere jollof seasoning ma no hwam ni odew mu odew.
Fried rice no kra die.
Ohinere fried rice seasoning e ma me fredwa frede. Aponchin kakra no. Me do ohinere go seasoning na ye. Asam na ne se mi wa. Ohinere seasoning powder. Ya woni beef, shrimp, noodles, any de keke eka. Anu so de aduane ne hwam ne den. Ubedie dibio. Enti obapa. Ohinere spices abama yen. Aduane no aye de efi se ni die ne nso. Aye de.
Ohinere spices.
Akoma FM 87.9
At phone for 020 780 5398 and 0244 525908. FDA Aji Ejedian Kratui Atum.
Right, that was here for we are back. Akoma 87.9. Abansinkum
Sir, the John.
9:17.
Yes.
And I asked him if you had a.
And that's if you had say a chance if you had a.
It's not a
I think say events in a day in to count. Send your quadro so.
Yeah, because
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Tech near day.
Oh, dear, become as much.
Okay.
Now, I mean, you win, Anna.
Oh, no, you see the rem. We rem now. You are near Satis. Yeah,
I'll call it. Major one ye, ready, young couple.
May had you know.
I think you had you too much.
I mean, I'm Jim Harmon Tiasia.
Where they?
Me Jim Harmon Tiasia.
Anyway, my remember me near Quaba. We have the other code here.
Yamiadum, now so.
And Yamiadum, more in a year.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Scale up. I'm more heavy. Me heavy pa, more year Juma. Say, in a training now.
And no one you go so.
And one. The ending come away. And then I'm more year, dear ma. Amo amuti asanteman Ghana.
Okay, even kind of
you unse if you see no. If you training way no.
Yes.
Engage them.
Yes.
Now one a Furukrum constituency now. One training one.
Okay.
Devia we there yeah. You be bibiana.
Yeah.
Ya she say be almost be link up na mo tima training ama.
Omo
Furukrum for.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Okay. Nti you be the kind of Yahoma Trofo not to 0547 85 20 29 0547 85 20 29 and 0549 83 47 47.
Yes.
0549 83 47 47. Now you go so I training no. Training na ye no te said the kai no. Ye pese afofro no bu ho a otimi nya e bi 1,000 cedis, 500 cedis. Maybe the no one
87.9 Kumasi.
So don't know nim say unya sa amount of money na obetimi dey establish a business. Na sa business no so e bi adodo na be ma jo say bi okofa niema e wo ba bi abeton which will not help. Ti say obey training no na unya or requisite knowledge and experience a obetimi e decide sika na bon ho bra. Na seni esi ne say ye kyerɛ wi a is also eboawa guide wa ababa ma hu seni a osi be packaging no na wetimi a promote etimi a make sales, how to use social media to your advantage ni nyina ye kyerɛ enti no afoforo no eguso a mo tua wa de
Akoma FM 87.9
courses no ye was skin ho and ye wo hair courses and ye antiseptics and detergents. It is a oba skin na your shower gel for skin a bit much different color grades. Ubu ha way to ubu ho koko obi ani de ejeno. And black soap on so black soap, face scrub, body scrub, lip gloss, lipstick, powder, skin cream, body oil, baby oil, skin lotion, ointment, antifungal cream, and antibacterial.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Asking, just a free.
Okay.
But cost 110 cedis per.
Okay.
Now what you mean? I subscribe to course no. O performs ni bia. O reach your numbers na ye the forms in the bema. O fill we now the bar. Na waba be your payment. Na wabe sua de simple as ABC.
Director Finn ATM. On the National Service Authority. Regional Director.
Okay.
UTM. So be here on number pa.
Oh, okay.
Tiboboni bio.
Okay.
Now because I'm say we there said there me near see kon there. There's nya Kongum.
Yes.
No,
but you see, you can't about Director Finafra.
Yeah.
You can't about thousands of personnel in the Ashanti region.
Yes.
You see, it tells you say Akoma Nkasa baby results.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy.
Yeah. Oh, director
because you can't National Service Authority Regional Director. So and Nina Yemujuma Pa Mudi.
Yeah.
So
it is number this will be mine.
The number no 0547
0547
85
20
29 and 0549
0549
83
83
47
47
47.
Good.
Ti na yɛkeka nneɛma no a
Yes.
yɛbɛkyerɛ for skin no. Ti woba hair no so a yɛkyerɛ hair relaxer, hair shampoo, hair conditioner, hair leave-in, hair food, hair deodorizer, styling gel, setting lotion, and a hair mist. And as I woba antiseptics no nso a Dettol, Savlon, Parazone. And sɛ woba other things to say detergent and other household na yɛkyerɛ liquid soap, floor cleaner, car wash solution, toilet cleaner, glass cleaner, glue, and after wash. Ti saa nneɛma wei nyinaa any other ones. Ti utimi subscribe to more than 2 courses so I amount one free program a yɛkyerɛ for free. Nti no yɛyɛ sessions mmiɛnsa. Wobɛtumi ayɛ no group sessions na yɛyɛ no yɛ office no. Anaasɛ wobɛyɛ no online courses no so wɔ hɔ. Ɛna yɛbɛtumi nso aba wo fie abɛyɛ ama wo at your own convenience. Nti yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ obiara mmra Scale Up Institute woba as cheap as possible. One course wobɛtumi ayɛ 110 Ghana cedis pɛ. Na wo nso watumi ayɛ wo deɛ. Nti baabi bia wo bia yɛsrɛ sɛ mo mmra na
na mo ka bibi sɛ mutumi kɔ obi hɔ office kra mutumi akɔ ama.
Oh yes. Obiara
online so virtual one na class so hamba ya mo.
Yes. Any group sessions ɛyɛ no office nso.
I see. Mo office no e.
Ɛwɔ abusua kuruwa.
Abusua kuruwa. Na me ɛnɛ you cry there. Unim sɛ interview ye wi o. Ye because me messages me nya wa ha no. Yes, ye wi kra. Tete. So tete lester what is it?
It is finished. Okay.
And we know yen ho kra. Yen because we know contract be a bit me susuni ade nyina no. But you see ni nyina ye adwuma pa amoye. Me akra no the one am buy no.
Yeah.
Obi frame me say oh wa ba mo training ni bi pen na munya bre. Ha. E kire ono no owie ye no. Wamfa nye commercial ade ono afie no ye na ade.
Oye na ade.
Oya no de bia fafa na nim ni ade. Se ni nyina mo kire.
Ye ni nyina bi.
Nti ese adwuma na mo ye no. Eno na kasa de mamo. Nti mo nkoso na mo nye ni yie.
Okay.
Nti sika no ni tua no se na esitie.
Okay, so sika no so obi ye ready so be tua sisie ya. Ye man forms no affiliate. Oba program na no dia ba.
The form which we send it via WhatsApp.
Oh, yeah, any easy as possible. Your secretary cross bit ma assist to affiliate amount on your own behalf. Ti no the registration no ye njiska bia. Nti free hwa na waba program no. Oba na do sika ba. As soon as we empese obi abɛ doubt say oh ye 2 years kan mo no after the mazan ye o mo ye komfo ye scam. Yes.
Now all the forms in the bar.
But obey program no now be to scan as soon as possible.
I'm for to scan gunti na na
go are no true.
Inti a o say eni kwan say NDC phone. Almost na me wo. Say come timetable na ba. I was say omutuma director friend. 87.9 see as a leader.
Yeah.
At the office uti. Ape bibi di Akoma nkra.
Yeah.
So
I get it.
One ye nuanu mu be kan bom na nimdia almost one impact. And we are talking about thousands of national service personnel. Do you know what that means? What it means is that ene omedwuma ya omo ye Nyankopon ehira so yi emu betre
papa
omo inspire there is a friend emo platform no through Akoma FM. It's also obo udwa die hu de wo
amfa ma ha fa kwai
so what you say now
we omo kasa ba ku pay
yes
no it is finished
almost strike omo do we are thousands of national service personnel eno mobile ebe benefit
we cram we ono original organizer
yes I feel say be pagem na bia National Youth Authority for so adopt it. I feel ko anymore. Do you know what it also means to them? What it means to them is say so me nipa me no maba almost will be biem.
Yeah.
It's next time we no e be any nipa 10 one so as I employ more. I feel now that a big man.
That Antino. Number view.
Okay, 0547 85 20 29 0547 85 20 29 And 0549
83
47 0549 83 47
me de pass mo say mu wia mo training ni wia mo sign eboa assist omo mba training no
yes
mo sign eye enya Ghana Standard Authority
and
FDA for registration enti umpewe na pedi bi yeah enti adama scale for adama se pa minua and dey on kasa bi HD asem bia ni fie na ya kan sense no striker man so the entire papa bakrom ha just say fala deal for mo ya mo so muko tuton fala striker man entire no kama pa o kama papa ntino but my so be kwa kwaji bi ye je ye keka kwa na ye keka kwa nti ba chonso de no kwaji bi why or jeans kama mema de or t-shirt kama mema de e man so montade wo ho monko striker man e wa dumone Prudential Bank na hwe animu obi ba JK dan no last floor ho na be hu no friend no 0208 399-533 0208 399 533 and after 0208 399-392. Yes. Na ye ko so ne ye ne dan nie. Pajo mo fra Ibrahim mame wai. Na adwuma ho. Providence men control sebra. Hepatitis B, typhoid. And I feel so mema wo ho asma de amamu. Pajo stroke, diabetes, over the amamu, skin problems. And then we are dear be our tea, our enko. Kona on fan fidie hwehwe be free. Na onye ho adwuma kama. Is it crowd here? Omasa biem e kronom omo ben adonko factory na omo award kama uba na osi eje to omo scan machines and so ye adwuma lab no so de ye from 0248422864 and after 024931 2172 024931 frewa moy na bibia nkoso ye kama emfama wo hofatala no gibi tontom no omo ha dwen anhwe yomba jwa mo ankasa no ntimi sore ntunsu nya omo a emfa nche won spray bi gu ho dan ni mu kama obetima sokwa no so de sidan na no kama pacho ewisie no ho unhu te se de afoforo ne de no ye no ti pacho hye no so efa mamem na spray no so ho kama gibi a friend fatala 0599315600 0599315600 na also so ye baby akama but why pensioner so as net semen control say also shall renew certificate on time di o birth month no hwe na ye sa renew na kama na nema nkoyi wanya u free payroll so ebe hadwen me pese bedru sa ntimpacho me kai wo no ayen ntem na nema akoso kama de amaye nyina ntisha no so mame bacho o share a app on the aba Snake mobile app no betimi aye e dey renew Snake branch no so no betimi dey aye na case you call now call her on show omo banks no so a omo ni omo edi dwuma nti call omo desk e wo ho ra ho ne call ye renewal no na ne man koye kama fama 0302611622 0302611622 Abansinkum
Sir John
Odi no kwata
yes I would say na se menwie say afa na abi so betena se afa ni be wura we nim no Sir John I think say so interesting you see MPP race in be very interesting but me there me maka yenye no china that's fine na yemro obuase because and then obuase last a year ago na emunye kra
so this is how the news was announced, as in how if I now a rumor, if I say me kai Ibrahim no know you know, me no know KSTU, and I know be
the body.
Dana 70 say na Kumasi Technical University.
Oh no. Me no was here launchy a small responsible.
Could you how many Evansim Kuma? Evans.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Chief of Staff and officially. Aban Sman say Omeka enter Ghana for.
Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the Vice President, Professor Nana Jane Opoku-Agyeman, who is with us here, and the government of Ghana. I have the unpleasant duty, sadly, to announce a national tragedy involving the crash of a military helicopter this morning around the Adansi area in Ashanti region. Government regrets to announce the demise of the following persons in the tragic crash. Dr. Edward Kofi Omane-Boamah, Minister for Defense. Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Murtala Mohammed, MP, Minister for Environment, Science and Technology. Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Lemuna, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator and former Minister for Food and Agriculture. Dr. Samuel Sapo, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress. And Mr. Samuel Abuaji, a former parliamentary candidate. Squadron Leader Peter Bafemi Anala, Flying Officer Manin Chum Ampedu, and Sergeant Ernest Ado Mensah. The President and government extends our condolences and sympathies to the families of our comrades and the servicemen who died in service to the country. All flags are to fly at half-mast until further notice. Thank you.
And the Chief of Staff, and the Amane Bono Ebre. That time on Ibrahim Mosuso, Ewo Boase. Now, in fact, calls need the Nibiaba videos are starting. Any at the Ibrahim Waha.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ibrahim.
Sir John.
Afi pepe ni.
Yeah, nra. When say I didn't see ukwadenti. Even though we share date in the ankende na ya afi pepe. Enra no na e decide say beko. But ni na no na Sir John. Adano na ye ada. Na nke o say eye dasronko. Marking the new chapter in the fight against illegal mining. Na ye share a kwan ebefa so
Akoma FM 87.9
ni na part of effort no nti na ye da kese pa ma Ghana ina nti se ajo e free Kumasi ko drew Obuase. In fact program na o se share se be 9 or so da no so anopa no nsuo to ya fine ye to ye twen na minister regional minister by Minister for Lands and Natural Resources Amakofi Buan so by Entina Chese ye train the aka na ombeba na yenyanti so Defense Minister Dr. Omane-Boamah, Environment Minister, Environment Science and Technology Minister.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
In fact, no kra Murtala de na nke so oba Kumasi no ne regional minister eba ho. Eno kan bi na AD kan ja regional minister. Inti regional minister ko airport a o twen no eno onya information so defense minister mo kra beba nti omo de military helicopter ne beba. Inti na nka on join no omo na okọ ya okọ join no omo. Se join ye twa ye twen omo beba omo ma. Inti eventually na o say ye show program na se send be ya ahemfo ni mpenimfo omo abetina ono. Yen delay omo ntina nka omo nso ba na atwa so
87.9 Kumasi.
Sejo ye share sia nche bia na yenya information me personally me di Kenya call say ese helicopter bi crash ewo sikamai mpenimfo bi o ena ya ntimi confirm na fan say John the usual fake news na ye tu ya adwunu eno kra menya na anopa before our program no be share sen ye tu ya nti ye share program na say afa dey say John ye share minister regional minister mo akoyene Dr. Akoyene ni amabua movement ni de wa mo ko tibom no mo make calls na afa gestures no ena sim ase BBS nti minister sorry obeka say na o ka try mfuni so omo hunu ha bioma onu di kan ko ni police for ni eyi omo ko ye CBBS no wan kan deport ba o kan ya na se John ya adwene ba so se
de mate no na
ebetimi aye ne kre nti se John ye si mu na ye call from Obuase ye call rough road pa ba ye ko ina no course ba na ye nyinaa no ye mpaebɔ ne sɛ yɛbɛkɔ akɔduru no na empo esi a there will be survivors. Maybe o adeɛ no ɛbɔ fam a mutimi firi mu na ɛhye yɛ sɛ ni sɛ because na afei na yɛahyɛ sɛ nya pictures John na yɛm hyehyɛ ne yɛ more afei yɛbɛn community na yɛhwɛ atmosphere no na the reality began to dawn on us say Sir John the esi no ani enyan yɛkɔduru hɔ kikikikiki ɔmo si yɛnkɔ Christ site o Sir John media for a yɛkɔ na ɛdɔɔso ɛne mpanimfo nyinaa na ɛhyɛ ase kikikiki yɛkɔ but mo kɔ a wobɛhwɛ w'akyi na asɛ numbers no tia na ɛso te because yɛkɔ a yɛnu from Brofiedu to hɔ no wofa Brofiedu na wokɔ Christ site to about 2 hours ɛnante fam ɛna ɛnyɛ sɛ normal road 2 hours a wobɛ baabi a wobɛforo baabi a wobɛda hɔ aforo eventually ɛkɔduru hɔ Sir John na kyerɛ sɛ ampampa plane no abɔ fam ama nipa ɛwɔ mu nyinaa no baako kura nu a yɛtumi ɛba alive nti na ɛwɔ sɛ ɛyɛ na ɛfiri hɔ but Sir John deɛ ɛsi no no nti ɛno a yɛyɛ sɛ 1 year on ma yɛnkɔ back wo sɛ incident ni si ɛnya mpanimfoɔ ma ɔmo kɔ kurom hɔ ɛkɔhwɛ deɛ ɛwɔ ɛbɔ ɛhyɛ ɛbɔ bi koraa ma kuro no ne mmabunu 13 na dumiɛnsa a ɔmo tumi boa yɛ ma yɛ search yɛ san retrieve bodies ni na de by community deɛ ne sɛ ɛkwan a ɛfa so kɔ Sikaman ne Brofiedu na ɛnyɛ nti aban bɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛgu kuro no kotal Sir John no kasa no
so this is the forest
forest no maybe esi no me the video bi kura to crash site on any a drone shot no unya no from top wana eba say ni say them no different enti ye call Sir John eno a ye call no na ye pese ye san call back to site on na 1 year on ye hu de e wo say e wo ho enti ye pe mabunu no bi ene omu si in fact na na videos no ba bi obedu edru ye no before na ye be enter forest no na e wo say na nanom ebe ye omu perform omu traditional right wo
as me say see no bi antimi nko
eno na
me 1 year
after 1 year no nti no
okay
e wo say omu ye apa ya ha no omu gunsa nsana afedie omu mai kwan say 87.9 ewura forest o na etimi e de akọ crash site o enti esanse no ekọ and e bo an say ekọ ya na ekọ ahimfie ade a ekọ na ye say ya ye ekọ ananka ye nya access enko enti ya na Sir John ye ya still ye fa Sikaman second time e dey Sikaman to no omu say emu nwa Brofiedu no na o kwa emu wa enti Sikaman no enu kra Sir John ye free community or 12:20 or say 12 ye kodru ho eba back na fo abo enti ye che enti na ne kono ne ba no nko aye be 3 hours enti 1 hour 30 minutes enu akra still ye kono ebi mo ntimi anko ya anka say drone pilot I didn't ko en Sir John oka ko em
ojamo ho
Sir John we dru ba bia no say ne pressure kosoro afei de baby etwenji na o say ma no enye onu nkwa ni po bebre na
pressure be rise
enti Sir John ye boy mu modin a wo we dua we na plane no ebebo mu timba kakaka enti we na plane no ebo mu na enti baby a we kakaka we enti ebo mu no na enti we na crash
87.9 Kumasi and that's why we route
there be say two route no but ato ho say enti ato
and remember say route no that's why no FM duane ngui
duane de ase ewuba route no etu but hu say you know ewo ho ena aha nso ye esoro pa na incident no ha na plane no ebe boy ya nipa no begu enti ebi a omugina no o na retrieve body say enti ukwa
mranke ya omotete ho
we mu ne ye nkrofo a omu ina ka 13 na omu bebu ama yetimi search retrieve body
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi ye baako du miensa ena omu boy ye ko enura no still o drew one a ohu parts of a helicopter no baby o a unhu ne wing no kakra baby nso hu other part bi o a emi say no a ekosuso man no nso e wo videos ni mebeba na yekọ ya yekọhwe but nti on the fu but etimi kọ ya unhu edwa no unhu pass ni bi a baby okra na efu ama nwura ni na efu ba na omo kan say aban ni ese na nka from community ni to crash site on obeye part bi ekwan bi a ebetimi akọ send be ya mbekọ akọ ye bibi o na say John say tourist say yukra na o kọ aye easy ama no emma so nti say ukọ community a untimi nko crash site o say nye mrantie ni bi na ebe lidu na wonso no wakoma mu edin a obetimi ananti afro bepo asuso mu a say John ono kọ na ye nti eno no mai but he said America na promises o mrantie du miense abanhye o mo bo say esa djuma so a o matimi aya sum Ghana the obetimi aya abo o mo ni say security service no be it military police immigration fire omunfo omudi mra na obi antu so we bi a opena ye mo omo ejuma e wo ho protocol no Sir John 1 year ni afe eni omonte hwe ebi mu si o ba kokra nu a okobe ebi mu si in fact ebi mu de omo ka se omo ko medicals but still na no omo nyante hwe
omo ko anase
omo akọ medicals aba but omo nte hwe un medicals no ebi mu crash ase e ko ba omo nte hwe nti omo gusu etwen eno ne emebunu ne de no enti etwa no from crash site enti ade na esi peak of forest no enti suro enti na de no na ohoba no na enye possible say ubetimi de adaka edi emu na egum na odi omo akọ ana ubetimi helicopter kura na ende na nkaji helicopter na betimi abai no kura na ejina esuro kakra na afi edi rope bi ahoma bi aba fom na yetimi asom ama yetimi edi aye enti they said they make an omo promises mbebunu de ni fulfill community na ankasa nso ya hwe omo bo mienu se ekwan a udi free obuase babrofu eduru sikaman no ye be ya ama omo e na wo free kumasi momu ko na wo fa dance asko a uduru kojon kwanta from kojon kwanta ba sikaman brofu eduru nso ye be ya ama omo na kire se access to communities no aye easy Sir John 1 year down the line enukra drone shot o aye twa town no kuro no de atia na eche machine bia ye ejuma bia ho enti omo sire se 1 year nie afi pepepe ni aban ensure say ni boshe no odi so secondly ene de community me no ye se odi omo be say here free aban ho ye community center send be omo dwumadie bibia e wo community no mbe Sir John no nso no omo enti the aye ni say
so this is a community ankasa
boshe na ye share omo ni na no Sir John ebienu a 1 year down the line in fact enu aye free oni na no omo nya ntehwe free mpenim for say 1 year no omo be celebrate bi omo because no omo say omo pese omo de omo pe be ye bibi na later aban so aka so na nka e beba na mom anope ya some few minutes ago na ohene ba ko frame de okọ Paul libation e frame so anope DC afro omo say na nka obeba kromo na omo nso abe celebrate omo nso 1 year but omo de
omo te
anope na
anope na DC from
anope enye nre enumro enti se ohene no wo ho se wo ba bi ko no Sir John akrofom
okay
Garba Chairman Garba
Jama
because dey na incident ni see and ye ko site o me hu se o ti be na me se o chairman which ma consider bi ontimi enti ono ti form one all my information so ni grofo bi e du wa mo so amani information enti anope but e ba sa na Sir John ntwe yi for you to call him for last minute
so I don't
know respect na aba from Sir John me dey say na me hu no was say BBC arrangement say a week to event no kura no mo ahihye na o ma akoye no kama ba say anope ya ade no be koso a wo frɛ no say ye de but omo be hwɛ na omo nso aye ba omo kura de omo hwɛ nse obe ya omo celebrate no na nka bo hye na ye hye omo no na ye hu ni say o ye ne no na nka oba no na the contractors edi n'echi na ehu say kwan no omo ye ana ya san de ya ba ama ye si community center ho no mo omo nti no mo hwe anim nie omo say omo de omo ammo mpa say bibi sa besi ba esi ne de but say onim say everywhere ukwade bia no ebi wo omo say edu ukwade bia na omo kai ena sesi ano se plane on say ono helicopter ana plane ti ebetwem because ekọ Anglo Gold enti echa ebetwem ida say ekọ Accra na efri Accra ba enti omo dey see ano anytime plane bi etwem ona na edru on because say people no plane bi edru a oba form kakra nsa na waye enti ama dey see ano plane bi betwem community ana ato omo ne ayem hihye maame bi kura ye hia no efomu a ye ni interview ye dru no tem dimeka kofi o so oto ano kai say enura no ye wukwada na dey na incident o so on dey no ofom ohun say plane no betwam na wo fom but some seconds ano oti boom engineer ni say ba oyo bench no suro say obekọ say enti no say suro say explosion no betimi aka on but the ero na oka no na explosion ni cause boom 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 na ofa ne basket kenten kigigi odwane be fie enti no odo ofu mo si o kai se no ye wukwada asan ye 1 year na say John ayem hihye odwane se o ko fie enti asem no 1 year ni e de but o community wa omo da so kai to say esi enra pepepe enti
because of your time ochina yankopon ya adoma you go beyond community
Akoma FM 87.9
the purpose na purpose ne ye the entire na sa program ne koso ani ba bi akwa kodru in fact se na ye 1 year no wie na yantimi and ma menye sure say betimi appoint to bibi emansinkum say be ka say responsible cooperative mining no yatimi achieve bibi enei ya ye ka say ebi after na mpanifo ba yiri mo say omo hwe no mine ye dia fine but you see I say them sure say betimi appoint to something say yatimi achieve bibi ewo responsible cooperative mining no intimo de yan nan ko china so Rahim because of your time intimo nan ko china nyame adomo a yenya bre o china de say easy so na yenya bre na ya trimo di nkomo no ne mpanifo bu mpanifo a lot of questions ya how e be see e be no so acho ya tie ho ase ala konkum
yeah me team no ya dwen pa
Rahim say bibia fine
oh bibia fine
ti me enye ne sa EduPack nkwara no beko school ti dial *713 *821 # nkwara no school no mo kono trunk mattress pillow and a plastic chop box and on the call
Akoma FM 87.9
yan share say bibia be fine na ne ma ko into dial a ubetua sika anaso beko ADB branch bia na wa share www.edupackgh.com nafi yan share now so jode our phone number was 0500600607 and 0302955050. But your Mid City Dental Clinic, Okohona, I share Osinwa Sama the amount. Odi anu bi e kaka. Na Osino aye kala nasa. Pesa ukona kuchie. Cleaning white no obey the amount. Pesa utua obey the amount. So bu pesa ofele obey the amount. But pesa see artificial replacement obey the amount, dentures crown bridges obey the amount, person aligning with teeth obey the amount. Obu oha ohomia, hey, nasem kito kasa, just some pass some sempa. Ko VIP parcel office, a then mo unoga junction now so, and then no encoding come from 0548472434. It be a bear fine. Na nema kuyi kama. Nanayao. Ehwe na
Akoma
ntadeɛ no
FM
ayɛ ni no.
87.9 Kumasi.
Tete let's tie. Ne mu fufu party no.
Party nyame yɛ adom a 22nd yɛn nyinaa yɛhyia ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Asokwa municipal school yɛ wɔ hɔ yi n'anim pɛɛ sɛ John bɛka yɛ hɔ na yɛyɛ Father's Day hɔ na yɛyɛ Mother's Day nyame adom a yɛn nyinaa yɛhyia wɔ hɔ sɛ John ɛdeɛn bio na apɛ sɛ wodie fufuo no style bɛn na wopɛ no fufuo no style bɛn paa na wopɛ no bra 22nd na yɛhyia on sɛ John the good thing is that nyame yɛ adom a ɛsa ne Akoma at 7 ɛhyia Akoma FM ɔhene tumfo seetu gye yɛn ɛwɔ ɛyɛ santeman mae baabi tena yɛyi yɛnyɛ mfie no maako nson mfie maako nson so ho santehen daoma nyame adaroma nyame ne dikan na santehen aba Sir John we are near ba adeshia motie free
87.9
yeah all these years ebedru samri mo ena mama ye Akoma tinyame adoma fufu party no eno so ye damase enti yemra yenyina yemra na yemeye na enyefe in fact next week there crowd there ye packed isan say your anniversary na ka say start next week
Obi asma
near the akwa kura say na committee chairman
Obi asma na Obi asma
near akwa kura mo ye the akwa kura ye the akwa kura fufu party enti nyame ya domo say John ebe brutal than boys
Nana ya yenye baby
7.9 Kumasi.
Eh na benkum ni fa nyina so at the comment eh mbana eguje ebu abo ene na baby ni awoshi omo na yenko aha oho
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Okay, so yenye na yentwa so na yenhwe Honorable Ike Buache we are former assemblyman Sewua unia ya Lincoln oba obi bia so wish you happy birthday ya Lincoln Sewua na a corner family Sewua so mo show happy birthday Nana ya Sapoma of ShopRite Kumasi City Mall Beluchi so wish you happy birthday Beluchi Akoma digital executive Nana ya Sapoma ShopRite now Kumasi City Mall happy birthday to you. That's what I wisdom a J Marfo we soldier 3BN Liberation Barracks Sunyane from Wankasar brother Ejenim Boateng your friend Palito as always show happy birthday. Police officer Kelvin Prince Boateng of National Headquarters Accra FPU and there would long life divine health Yankupas adwina ne osusie nyina no enyepe na ne mankoye mfama we free o sweetheart Aqua Annabelle Odoko also wish you happy birthday and Irene today is your birthday happy birthday to you Irene of CY Phones Adum happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Hekmat, aka Obroniba. We a final year student at St. Peter's Nursing and Midwifery Training College. Offenso. St. Patrick's, right? St. Patrick's Nursing and Midwifery Training College of Finso. And then I would a happy birthday to you. Long life, abundant blessings, wisdom, good health, endless success. Happy birthday to you. Damsel, and then when you're 1 year. Umame, a friend of blessing. Umame, so wish you happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Damsel. They are sure, say, I have justice to all of them. Minia Honorable Patrick Oti Biu. Honorable Mechia Opano Pay. Honorable Paka. And Paka. Patrick Oti Biu. Happy birthday to you, Honorable Yamishrao. Now on your case, yeah. And no idea. Yeah, sorry. Na ya call. Na Yami had much na Fiada. Ebesia Yamin can copy me say be share bill or China Yami ad domoa.